Dear students, in this class we are going to discuss about star delta transformation. See the figure. The diagram first one shows the star connection or Y connection. The second one shows the delta or mesh connection. The star connection has 3 phase wires and 1 neutral wire. But delta connections has only 3 phase wires. The star connected resistance are noted by RA, RB and RC. The delta connected resistance are noted by R1, R2, R3. We can transfer star to delta or from delta to star. We have to see the section. So first one is equivalence. It can be found on the basis that the resistance between any pair of terminals in the two circuits have to be the same when the third terminal is left to open. Equivalence can be found on the basis that the resistance between any pair of two terminals in the two circuits have to be made same when the third terminal is left open. Now take the star connection. The resistance between the same terminal A and C is RA plus RC. The terminals between A and C is RA plus RC. Since terminal resistance have to be same, so we must have RA plus RC. For the delta connection, it should be noted as R2, R1 and R3. So therefore R2 into R1 plus R3 divided by R2 plus R1 plus R3. Since R2 is parallel with R1 plus R3 in delta connection, that is equivalent to the RA plus RC. Similarly for terminals A and B, B and C, we can have the following expression. For RA plus RC, R2 is in parallel with R1 and R3. That is R1 and R3 are in series. Then RA plus RB equal to R3 into R1 plus R2 divided by R3 plus R1 plus R2. R1 and R2 are in series. They are in parallel with R3 for the RA plus RB combination. Similarly for the RB plus RC combination, R2 and R3 are series. Therefore R2 plus R3. This combination is in parallel with R1. Therefore R1 into R2 plus R3 divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3. So it is not the transformation equation. It is the equivalent equation. Now we are going for the transformation equation. For star to delta, multiplying 1 and 2, 2 and 3 and 3 and 1 and adding them together and simplifying, we will have the following result. That is R1 equal to RA-RB plus RB-RC plus RC-RA divided by RA. R1 equal to RA-RB plus RB-RC plus RC-RA divided by RA. R1 is the delta connected resistance. Next one is R2. It is between A and B. Therefore RAB plus RB-RC plus RC-RA divided by RB. R3 equal to RA-RB plus RB-RC plus RC-RA divided by RC. These three are the formulas for star to delta connection. It is derived from the above equations. Okay. How to remember? The equivalent delta resistance between any 2 points is given by the product of resistance taken 2 at a time divided by the opposite resistance in the star configuration. Again I will repeat how to remember the formula. The equivalent delta resistance between any 2 points is given by the product of resistance taken 2 at a time divided by the opposite resistance in the star configuration. Then the conversion from delta to star. Now subtracting the equation 2 from the 1 and adding the result to 3, we will get the following values for R1, R2 and R3. So RA equal to R2, R3 divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3. RB is R3, R1 divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3. RC is R1, R2 divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3. How to remember this formula? The resistance of each arm of star is given by the product of the resistance of two delta sides that meet at its ends divided by the sum of the 3 delta resistance. How to remember the formula? For delta to star, resistance of each arm of star is given by the product of the resistance of two delta sides that meet at its ends divided by the sum of the 3 delta resistance. Now we will see the problem. A delta section of resistors is given in the figure. Convert this into equivalent star section. So first figure is the problem. It has 3 resistance R1, R2, R3. It is in the form of delta. So we have to convert this into star connection, that is RA, RB, RC, that is in the second figure. So the answer is RA is 3 ohm, RB is 1.0 ohm, RC is 1.5 ohm. The formula used here is RA equal to R2 R3 divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3. Similarly RB, similarly for RC. So first for RA, the formula is R2 R3. R2 R3 is 9 into 6 divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3, that is 9 plus 3 plus 6. Therefore RA is 3 ohm. Next one is RB. So for RB the formula is R3 R1 divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3. R3 is 6 ohm. So 6 into 3 divided by 9 plus 3 plus 6. So next one is RC. R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2 R3. So there is R1 and R2 is 3 and 9 ohm. So 9 into 3 divided by 9 plus 3 plus 6 gives the 1.5 ohm. So the answer is RA is 3 ohm, RB is 1.0 ohm and RC is 1.5 ohm. See the next problem. Find the current drawn from the 5 volt battery in the network shown in figure. Find the current drawn from the 5 volt battery in the network shown in figure. It is a complex network. We can analyze by loop also, but we have to use star to delta connection. For this we can easily simplify the answer. Okay. So the star connection is the 2 ohm, the parallel 2 ohm, that is between A, B, C and D. A, B, C, D is the star connection. We have to convert that star connection into delta connection. So between the AB is 2 ohm and between the BC is 2 ohm and between BD is 3 ohm. So see the diagram. We have to convert that 2 ohm, 2 ohm and 3 ohm, that is A, B, C, D into delta format. So by converting using the formula for star to delta conversion, we will get the answer as like this. That is 16 by 3, 8 ohm and 8 ohm. Between A and D is 8 ohm. Between A and C is 16 by 3 ohm. Between C and D is 8 ohm. So it is the diagram from star to delta connection. Now we are going to parallelize the ohms. That is in the 4 ohm and 8 ohm. That is C and D. Between the 8 ohm and the 4 ohm is parallel. Similarly that 8 ohm and 1 ohm is parallel. So the answer is 8 by 9 ohm and 8 by 3 ohm. C and D 8 ohm and 4 ohm is parallel. AD 8 ohm and 1 ohm is parallel. So the answer is 8 by 9 ohm for AD and CD 8 by 3 ohm. And AC is 16 by 3 ohm. Now we have to series the 8 by 9 ohm and 8 by 3 ohm. 8 by 9 ohm and 8 by 3 ohm are in series. So 8 by 9 plus 8 by 3. That gives 32 by 9 ohm. Now the 32 by 9 ohm and 16 by 3 ohm is in parallel. So we have to reduce the parallel, that is R2 R1 by R1 plus R2. By using this formula we can get the answer as 32 by 15 ohm. Now these two are in series. 32 by 15 ohm and 3 ohm is in series. So the answer is 77 by 15 ohm. Now the value of current I is V equal to I into R. V equal to I into R. Therefore I equal to V by R. So V divided by R, 5 volt divided by 77 by 15 ohm gives the answer as 0.974 ampere. See the next problem. The figure shows the network. The number on each branch represents the value of resistance in ohms. Find the resistance between the points E and F. We have to find the value of resistance between the points E and F. That is, we have to find the equivalent resistance between the points E and F. So first one is, see the diagram, that ABC is the delta connection. Now we cannot reduce the circuit. So the ABC delta connection is first to be converted into star connection using the formula. So therefore the answer becomes 2 ohm, 2 by 3 ohm and 1 ohm between ABC. That is A and O, that is neutral point A and O is 2 ohm and C and O is 2 by 3 ohm. O is the neutral point and O and B is the 1 ohm. Now the 10 by 3 and 2 by 3 ohm are in series. Similarly 6 ohm and 2 ohm are in series. Similarly 1 ohm and 7 ohm are in series. This is the diagram. That series combination is 4 ohm between E and O and 8 ohm between O and F, 8 ohm between O and D. Now we have to convert the star into delta. Now we have to convert the star, that is EDF, that is 4, 8, 8 ohm to delta. Therefore we can parallelize. Therefore, the 16 ohm, 16 ohm, 32 ohm is the answer for star connection by using delta to star conversion formula. Now the 16 and 16 ohm are parallel. Between E and D, 16 ohm and 16 ohm are parallel. Similarly, for E and F, 16 ohm and 16 ohm are parallel. For D and F, 16 ohm and 32 ohm are parallel. So the reduced circuit is 8 ohm, 8 ohm, 32 by 3 ohm. 16 ohm and 16 ohm are parallel means 16 into 16 divided by 16 plus 16 for both E and D and E and F. For D and F, 32 into 16 divided by 32 plus 16. So the answer for E and D and EFS is 8 ohm and for D and F is 32 by 3 ohm. Now these three are in series. For E and F, these three are in series. The answer is 5.6 ohm. Thank you.